All right, well, I'm in my final trade here, and I was like, why don't I just record this? So we are 13 minutes before the close. I was in two contracts here. I took one off at 10 points, and now I'm following my second contract at half the distance. The $50 here is the 10-point number. I went short here on a 1-minute chart. That was a entry according to our advanced core strategy. Now we're hanging out here at POC. That might be all it wants to do, but I'm going to keep my stop here at half of this distance now. I did have my stop. So I took my first one off at 10 points, and then I kept my stop back here. And then when it proved where it wanted to turn around, and I decided to then start following at 50%. Hoping for a nice vomit back down to this area. In fact, let's turn some of this off. I don't need my volume profile. I don't need this. I don't need this. I do want my strong levels there. So this was the trend line for the RTH. Now, this morning was absolutely just horrible price action. Horrible. I took one short off of ES right here, actually. And then I took one long off of NQ, and I took that long off NQ somewhere in here and did well on that. And then I took this short on MES here. And now I'm hoping it actually takes it down here to the bottom of this range. In fact, let's just tidy up the chart even more, because at this point it honestly doesn't matter. The only thing that matters now is strong range, trend line, bull bear. So we'll see how all of that comes into play here. Let me bring back up my DOM. All right, so now it's down here about this $65 area. So I bring it in a half and we'll come to like 32. It's fine. I'm just following it here the final 10 minutes. Maybe we'll get a really strong push here. And then what I'll do is I'll lock in 10 again. I'll lock in 10 points and take my hands off the mouse. In fact, let's go ahead and just do that. I'll put it here at the 10-point mark. And if it gets me, it gets me. What do I care? That's two contracts, 10 points each. That's a good day. I'll take it. And if it gets me out, this will be the end of the wrap-up video. So I'm actually fine with that. How can you not? How many 10-pointers a week do you need to have a great week? Not many. You know, if your goal is 10 to 50 future points a day, I've doubled my minimum amount that I like to make. I don't always make 10 points. It depends on the day. In all honesty, if it hadn't been for this trade here, I would have only been up like, I think I said 4 points in the group, something like that. It was a very small day. There just weren't a whole lot here. And as I said, one short here, then I took one long on NQ, and then I took this short here. So we'll see if they want to vomit this thing down, which is always nice. Rip some faces off both directions. This is what we do. We play bounce levels. We're pretty good at where price will bounce. Come on, take out the IB low. You can do it. Drop and give me 20.
Drop and give me 20.
Exactly. Drop and give me 20. Come on, you can do it. 8 minutes left. You know, and you just put your stop, you remove your hands from the mouse, you make your decision where you want to be out. If there was more time in the day, I wouldn't have my stop right here. But, you know, lock in 10 points. It's fine. Come on. Come on. Take that RTH, take that overnight. I want them to take this RTH liquidity and then take this overnight liquidity. Trend line might be interesting. And then this strong range that I gave you this morning. See what happens. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Drop and give me 20. Where's 20? 20. It's got to take out the overnight low to give me 20. So let's move the DOM down so there's room. Come on. 6 minutes left. I told my traders one of the reasons I was looking for these short up here is because no one else was participating in this monster breakout. Only ES was up there. Was NQ up there? No. Was Dow up there? No. Was Russell up there? Not really. And now really came in, really coming in. Let's go, boys. Let's take it down. Come on. Well, 5 minutes to the end of the day. It's a tough time to be in a trade. And if it gets me out, cool. Awesome day. Reset and do it again tomorrow. Sometimes you just have to wait. Like at lunch today, I gave the update. Be a surfer. Wait for your wave. Wait for your wave. You don't need to be in every move. I was not in this up move. Oh well. You don't need to be in every move and you don't need all the move. You know, was I short from there? No. I waited for confirmation according to our core strategy. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, so I'm going to put my stop here and there. See, I'm either going to make a 10-pointer or a 20-pointer, or I'll just get out. It is what it is. Come on. There we go. Come on. Get down.
Go, 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 go!
That's right. Go, 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 go. Just keep your hands off your mouse. Set your stop. Let it do what it's going to do. It doesn't matter. There's another high probability trade around the corner. Maybe not today, it might be tomorrow. Come on, push. Let's get this IB low here. How do you not go and grab that? Seriously. Then grab this overnight low. And then come on down to my strong range. This is still all very, very bullish. We can't even take out the overnight low, which was in the upper distribution of yesterday's range. So, as I said, all of this is still bullish. We're still above this bull bear line I gave you this morning. So the bulls are firmly in control. And one thing about all the indices today, let's go look at everybody again. Were we ever on the same train? No, we were never on the same train today. Trade small on days like this. Trade small. NFP week, probably a good week to trade small. Monday with no news drivers, probably a good day to trade small. Come on, you can do it. Get down there. Come on. Let's get all the way down there. Come on. Come on, take out the IB low. That's somewhere about this 35. Push it. Push it. I'm going to lock that in. See if it'll roll on down. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Push. Seriously, you can't take this IB low? Then all this yummy liquidity here. Come eat it up like Pac-Man. Let's go. Come on. Come on, give me 20.
Drop and give me 20.
That's right. Come on. I'm not going to be disappointed with 14 points either. Can you believe it? It took the whole day back. So in our group, just to show you at the end of the day, we get a little pop-up, were you green today? So, oops, I got to turn off my lines. Yes, I was green, and I netted net 10 points. So that's a good day. All right, looks like it's going to get me out here at 38, which is totally fine. I wish there was longer to the day. My goodness. I wish there was more time. But of course the volume is now drying up and out. Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.